In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva slow loading. If Canva is taking too long to open, getting stuck on the loading screen, or showing endless spinning while you're trying to access your designs, it can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you need to get work done quickly. The good news is that in most cases, this is something you can troubleshoot in just a few minutes using a few simple checks and browser adjustments. First, before changing anything on your computer, check whether the problem is actually coming from Canva's side. Open a new browser tab and go to status.canva.com. Once the page loads, look for the sections related to site performance, the editor, and media delivery. If there's an outage, maintenance, or any service disruption showing there, then the slowdown is likely not your device at all. In that case, the best option is simply to wait until Canva resolves it. If everything appears normal, then the issue is probably local and you can move on to the next fix. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most common reasons Canva starts loading slowly or behaves strangely. In your browser, click the menu in the top right corner and choose the option to clear browsing data. Set the time range to all time, then make sure cookies and other site data, along with cached images and files, are selected. After that, clear the data. This helps remove corrupted or outdated files that may be interfering with Canva's loading process. After that, check your browser's hardware acceleration setting. Open your browser settings and go to the System or Advanced section. Find the option labeled Hardware Acceleration or use Graphics Acceleration when available. If it's turned off, switch it on. This allows your browser to use your computer's graphics processor to handle heavier visual tasks more efficiently, which can make Canva feel much smoother. If Canva is still slow, close any tabs or web apps you're not using. A browser with too many open pages can consume a lot of memory, and Canva needs available resources to load large projects, images, and media properly. Closing unused tabs can make a noticeable difference right away. Finally, go back to Canva and perform a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. This forces the browser to pull a fresh version of the page instead of relying on old stored files. Once Canva reloads, check that your project is syncing properly and that the editor responds smoothly. That's it. Thanks for watching.